One feature I like within the Recruitemy ATS CRM is the ability to send an offer letter to your candidate and to your hiring manager with ease and literally in less than 1 minute. So I'm going to walk you through the funnel that we've created within the Recruitemy CRM. This is one funnel amongst many that we've preloaded into our membership groups ATS. So what you can visualize is once you become a member with Recruitemy, or if you just want to utilize our CRM, we go ahead and upload all the documents, templates, workflows, triggers, automations into your CRM, just like the movie The Matrix. So if you've ever seen that movie when they download all that great information into Neo's head, same thing here with the CRM. Let me walk you through how the onboarding funnel works. You or one of your recruiters would simply go into the Sites tab right here, pull up the checklist for onboarding, and I'll show you what that looks like real quick. So these are the different funnels that we've already preloaded into your CRM. And in this instance, you'd want to click on Job Offer Forms. It'll take you right in, very easy. And let's go ahead and take a look at the offer form and how that works. So for the purpose of this video, I actually filled one out earlier. So as a test example here, my name would go in here as the applicant, the candidate who just got the job. And now as a recruiter, I'm going to send Russell the offer letter to his email, as well as go ahead and put in his project manager title, start date, pay rate. You can choose by the hour or salary here. We can also include the hiring manager's name and his or her title, as well as their phone number and their email address. And when you click send offer letter, you generate this offer letter right here that looks like this. So it's all pre-populated and works within seconds. Now you have the ability to revise this verbiage if you'd like. Our team just created these scripts and templates as to what we feel most recruiters would need. But again, you can go in our back office here and just change the scripting to whatever suits your business needs. Now, going back to the funnel, once that is created, we go ahead into the job acceptance form. And this part I really love. So the candidate, in this instance, the example would be me as the project manager. I would receive this offer letter to my inbox. I can read over it real quick, and if it looks good, I'll go ahead and just quickly sign it, and then I will type in my name as an official acceptance of the offer. Choose the date. We'll go ahead and choose today's date, and then I hit submit. All right, so once that happens, I will, as a recruiter, I will get the letter sent to my inbox as a Word document or a PDF document. And all I gotta do is click on this link in my email, and it will be the digital signature that is secured with the name, and you are good to go. And you can literally just send this off to your hiring manager for review and final confirmation. The final confirmation will look just like this. Let me pull this up for you. Yep, so there you go. That's the final offer letter. Again, you can put your logo up here if you'd like, and you can change this around. We have variables to put in people's names right here, but this is just a cursory overview of how the offer letter funnel and system works within our CRM. Very user-friendly. Let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 steps, and you're done. And I will be showing you more examples of the funnels that we have created back here that you can utilize for your recruiting business, which makes it much more effective and efficient for you and saves you a ton of time. Hope that helps. Thanks.